The Astodi team is continuously introducing a series of improvements and enhancements to the application. We place great emphasis on always keeping Astodi up to date. We are always focusing on quality improvement and user experience. This short step-by-step video guides you how to update your desktop app. Before we get started, you should know that you only need to manually update only the downloaded desktop app. The latest enhancements are automatically integrated when you use the app in a browser. We recommend using Google Chrome. Before the update, the first step is to delete the older version of the desktop app from your computer or desktop. You can rest assured that you will not lose anything as we store all data on Astodi's cloud servers. The next step is to visit the Astodi website and click the Login button. Once you are successfully logged in the top left corner click on Desktop App to download it. No special installation is required, just click on it. You will be asked which folder you want to save the app, and you can start using the latest version. The most important update is that we have improved the quality of proxy videos. This is available for all subscriber packages. Using keywords is essential for organizing and quickly searching your content. The second improvement is that there have been several updates and bug fixes regarding the tags and keywords. Now, you can easily edit keywords for multiple content sources at once. A copy icon has been added to the keyword panel. This allows you to copy keywords for content with a single click. The third update is that you can now see your existing balance more accurately, because we have improved the indicator and alert messages as well. We have also improved the processing procedure. After loading the media files, even if the source location of the original file changes, the application remembers these files, and the thumbnail and proxy generation process will not start again. Only the location data will be updated. This can avoid duplicates and save time and resources by letting the system update only the file's new location. If you are not sure about how Astodi works, or if you have a question, you can chat with us through the app. We are always happy to answer your questions and help out. CSV Export gives you the opportunity to list your content in spreadsheet format. We have now simplified the process. Our belief is that content is your most important asset. If you subscribe to the custom package now, you can bulk upload media files to microstock sites to monetize your media files. We've made the upload process more simple. You can now upload photos, videos, and audio files not only from connected cloud drives, but also from your local computer using the desktop app. This feature was available only in the browser version before. Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond 5 changed the bulk upload protocol to SFTP. The Astodi application has also been updated for this connection protocol. These were the key updates on the Astodi app. Thanks for sharing your impressions and experience of the app. We hope these innovations will help you to organize, share and monetize your media assets more efficiently.